guys, welcome to another video where I'm gonna be doing something crazy, and I'm gonna show it right here, and it was really fun making the video, so I really hope you like it. Okay, let's start it. Guys, welcome to another video where I am gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be breaking a microwave. You don't need it, I'm gonna break it, okay? Okay. Easy peasy. So guys, we are getting into the microwave, and this is our old one, and we don't need it, so we want to break it. Well, I want to. This is so cool. Great. It's too hard. Oh, guys. Oh my. Let's look at the front of this thing. Oh my god. I just hit a few of this, and this is like, here's the piece of it. This is inside of it. So cool. Inside of a microwave. Guys, this is great. I feel amazing. Alright. I'm gonna try to get it until it's fully broken. Why are you here? The edge. I feel like we're annoying my neighbors. Oh my gosh, you guys, look inside that. I'm gonna break it 5 times so I can. Gross, so gross. Okay, this is our final thing. One more hit, guys. One more. Guys, people honestly think I'm crazy. Oh my gosh. Dude, I just broke it. I wasn't filming, dang it. I just hit it and this whole thing shattered. Boom. Oh, my dad's gonna kill me. Oh, okay. Let's hit it a few more times. Let's hit it a few more times, guys. Guys, this is so crazy. I broke my. Oh gosh, guys, I think this is pretty beaten up. I'm pretty sure this is beaten up enough. I hope you like that fun video of me breaking a microwave. And if you did, please like this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe. But it's so easy. Just press this down below. What would you rather me break? Rock? Yeah, rock's pretty. impossible. So you guys leave in the comments below what you want to. Yeah, and